If you are working on your project and open different materials from different objects and see something like this, then you're doing it a hard way. Stick with me until the end of this video and I'll show you a smoother approach. If your project involves multiple objects and materials, creating a master material is the key to streamlining your workflow. Now we need to create placeholder textures using a software like Photoshop. Typically, we'll need textures for base color and normal map. In my workflow, I employ a mixed texture where the red channel represents roughness, the green channel stands for metal, and the blue channel is ambient occlusion. Of course, this setup can be tailored to your preferences and you're free to utilize additional channels like the alpha channel for textures such as displacement. I refer to this texture as RMA, but feel free to name it as you see fit. Additionally, if you have other textures like emission or subsurface, the process remains the same. Next, we'll import these textures into our Unreal Engine project and add them to our master material. Let's convert them into parameters, give them names, and connect the channels accordingly. Now, within our 3D modeling software, whether it's Maya, Blender, or 3ds Max, we'll assign these textures to their respective slots. I have assigned my RMA to a specular, knowing that Unreal Engine can find a specular as you will see in the next step. Simply drag and drop the FBX file into the content browser and the import options window will appear. In the material section, choose Create New Instance Materials as the material import method. Select your master material and assign the appropriate textures. Now you can see all textures being imported automatically. Opening the new created instance material reveals that all textures are correctly placed. Now I can simply add new nodes to the master material. For instance, I add flatten normal, which reduces the effect of my normal map, and now after saving or hitting apply, I have it in my new material. I can also add other nodes to control roughness amount. You might still be wondering why I mentioned the hard way at the beginning of the video. The answer lies in efficiency. When importing another object, I can access all the functionality within its material without the need to manually add nodes. This streamlined process saves time and effort, especially when dealing with multiple objects in your project. So, enjoy the benefits of this optimized workflow and happy creating!